Welcome back to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. I'm glad you're with us. I'm your host, Leo Smith. Today's story is about finance. In the realm of fraud detection, AI-powered solutions have evolved significantly. Banks now deploy sophisticated machine learning models capable of real-time analysis and predictive risk scoring. These systems meticulously analyze vast temp, poodle, transaction history, geographic locations, device information, and intricate user behavior patterns and speed, drastically reducing false positives compared to earlier methods. For personalized services, AI applications are expanding rapidly, from basic chatbots to highly sophisticated recommendation engines and predictive. Banks leverage AI to deeply understand individual customer needs, preferences, and financial goals. This enables them to offer precisely tailored products, provide proactive financial advice, and deliver seamless 24/7 customer support. The trend is moving towards hyper-personalization, where AI anticipates customer needs before they are even explicitly stated, fostering deeper engagement and loyalty through natural language pacing, content delivery within digital banking interfaces. The expanded use of AI by major U.S. banks carries profound implications. For the banks themselves, this translates into enhanced security and significantly reduced losses from fraudulent activities. Operational efficiency is also dramatically boosted through the automation of routine tasks, freeing up human capital for more complex strategic endeavors. Leading institutions like J.P. Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citipress, and Goldman Sachs are at the forefront of this AI expansion. J.P. Morgan Chase, for example, employs advanced AI models to analyze billions of daily transactions, while Bank of America Erica Virtual Assistant serves millions of customers with personalized financial guidance. These developments are not just about internal improvements. They generate a significant competitive advantage by delivering security measures in a crowded market. For customers, the impact is tangible: improved security through real-time fraud alerts and faster resolution of suspicious activities, coupled with genuinely personalized experiences, tailored product recommendations, proactive financial advice, and constant access to intelligent virtual assistants create a more convenient and satisfying. Furthermore, for the AI industry, the finance sector's stringent requirements drive immense demand for advanced AI solutions, fostering innovation in areas like explainable AI, federated learning, and secure AI platforms, alongside a continuous need for specialized talent. Industry analysts and recent reports this week highlight a continuous incremental push in AI integration and strategic discourse around its future. There is notable discussion about how major U.S. banks are actively, though cautiously, moving beyond pilot programs for generative AI. The current focus involves testing large language models internally for tasks such as summarizing financial documents, drafting internal communications, and assisting developers with code generation. The emphasis remains on controlling data privacy and preventing what is known as hallucination before any broad public rollout. Let's pause here for a short break. We'll be right back after this bumper. Welcome back. If you find this useful, follow and subscribe to AI Weekly News. Now let's continue the news. Another key point emphasized in recent discussions is the critical importance of sub-second fraud detection. Experts reiterate the convergence of advanced AI, including machine learning and deep learning, with behavioral analytics to identify account takeovers and payment fraud even faster. This often leverages cloud-native AI infrastructure for its cathally and real-time processing capabilities, with banks continually. This week also saw articles discussing a growing trend in banks leveraging AI to develop more sophisticated financial well-being tools. This includes AI and personalized budgeting advice, automated savings recommendations, and proactive alerts for upcoming bills or unusual spending patterns, all aimed at improving customers' financial health by making services more predictive and prescriptive. Finally, news items continue to stress the fierce competition for AI talent within the financial sector. Banks are not only aggressively recruiting top-tier AI researchers and engineers, but also investing heavily in upskilling existing employees in data science and machine learning. This reflects a strategic commitment to cultivating a future-ready workforce capable of deploying and managing advanced AI systems. The future of AI in U.S. banking promises deeper integration, more sophisticated applications, and an evolving regulatory landscape. We anticipate a shift towards hyper-personalization at an unprecedented scale where AI moves beyond current recommendation engines to predictive models that anticipate needs and offer dynamic investment advice tailored to individual life stages and risk tolerances. Generative AI will play a significant role in creating unique content and conversational interfaces. Security will become even more proactive and predictive, with advanced AI models identifying nascent fraud rings and emerging attack vectors before they cause significant damage. Explainable AI, or XAI, will become a standard requirement as regulatory pressure and internal governance mandate tools and methodologies that allow for understanding, interpreting, and auditing and transparency and fairness. Ultimately, the trajectory indicates that AI will become increasingly embedded in every layer of banking operations. It is set to transform not only how financial services are delivered to customers, but also how banks operate internally, manage risk, and innovate for the next generation of financial solutions. Thank you for listening to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Subscribe and join us next week for the latest AI stories. We'll let the music take it from here.